Okay, everybody, here's the inside. This is here is 5-person seat belts, and there's the 4 people in sleeping area here. So 2 bed, putting the table there, and then some foreman get the first bed in here, and there is other one in here, but I have no idea how this is low down or something, and I think there is some rubber. Take this off. Maybe I hurt myself, I don't know. Oh, let's get off. And okay, here's some leverage. Whoa. Whoa. This is stuck in the seal. Oh. Okay. This is nasty. Oh. Oh, guys. Oh, if you smell this shit. Whoa. Yeah. I think somebody's dead here. Not the human person, it's probably in some animal. You see, there's ice inside in the car. Okay, there's probably some water problem. Yeah, this ice. Yeah. Oh, I have a project here. Here's a toilet area and sink, shower. Yeah, we don't have a toilet. Don't know where is it. Maybe lost in the time or something. Oh yeah, this is my first project in car, and can you hear? Of course, you hear in my English is almost good as native English, but not that good. It's first time I speak English. So I stop here and start planning what I do here and where I start. Yes, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.